3, no, they have a dog.
Thank you, next at 61, 1271.
Western has been notified. They're going to try and get green alert west work out there.
TVI, A and B, TVI, A and B.
10-4's vehicle stop.
Nope, he's on the wrong way. Shit. Alright.
What's your footing?
We're still, we are getting back on northbound.
67, they're coming towards you. Northbound approach to the 69. Speed 130, no traffic. Northbound.
Got tires going flat, tires going flat.
Hey man, you need an ambulance look at you?
Yeah, because I oh.
Elbow drill old 1016 for a 30-year-old male leg pain.
Oh,
come on, man.
My fucking. I just had my fucking car work
here. Clean up my hood.
I ain't got. You're fine. I can't. Oh, there, I told you I had that on me a minute ago. Goddamn. Baby, the fucking throttle's sticking. Oh, man. That's the keys. That's all I got. Please, sir.
What?
Can I my ass against the car? Please.
Give me 2 seconds. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me ask you a question. Gas pump's got right? Okay, so whenever we got to 71, you slowed all the way down, you flipped around, you got back up. I couldn't stop. Listen, I think the ID over there, you went to the other lane, you came back, you kept going. You're a dumbass. Just a minute. No, I'm trying to tell you. You're not. Just this candy wrapper, sir.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Oh my God, damn it. Oh, he's on the leg, please.
Is that the one that's hurting?
Yeah, I'm gonna push my hips more.
Good.
That's my wallet.
your back seat?
Yeah, but seeing him touch work.
Well, he wanted it in my seat, but I've got my spikes all mangled up in the back seat. Yeah, sit right there.
Turn that free.
You got room in your back seat?
Yeah, just the side.
Yeah, my spikes are all jumbled up in my back seat. Put them over here. Dude, I saw you coming. I barely got them out of the way. Yeah, they're like still on the